Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to compare eTrade and Tradestation. First, I'm going to talk about the fees, then I will talk about account opening, if you have any inactivity fee or also withdrawal fees. Then I will talk about the markets and products, like what they actually provide, and then I will go about design of applications and security of these brokers. So let's start. The fees on both of these platforms are non-existent or really low. On eTrade, you have free stock and ETF trading, and also on Tradestation. But there is this but. When you would go to the small letters on Tradestation, you would see that commission free for equities trades applies only to the first 10,000 shares per trade. Let me show you. For each order of more than 10,000 shares, you're gonna pay a small fee per share charged with assist of the number of shares in excess of 10,000. So if you want to trade penny stocks on Tradestation, I just recommend be careful and just check deeply, like if you want it or no. Now, the next thing I personally like about Tradestation is how many products they have. Like, they are covered by Interactive Brokers, and that's a parent company of Tradestation. So you have access to many more markets comparing to eTrade. And now let's go to account opening. Account opening on both of these platforms is easy, but you have a withdrawal fee on Tradestation. And what does it mean? That first withdrawal every month is free, but the third withdrawal, or whatever withdrawal next, is going to cost you $10. So you need to be really careful. If you want to withdraw 2-3 times a month, you're gonna pay like $20. So what I recommend is like withdrawing only one time per month if you want to use Tradestation. Now, another thing about Tradestation is that you have, if you would choose the TS Select plan, the minimum deposit here is $2,000. Comparing to eTrade, you don't have to deposit anything at all. But on eTrade, you got a $25 fee for wire transfer withdrawal. This is just something you need to keep in mind. About the web trading platform, this is like up to you which one you actually like. I personally prefer Tradestation, but if you like eTrade, go for eTrade. There's like completely up to you what you like and what kind of app you personally prefer. Now, markets and products, this is what I, in the beginning I mentioned, is that on Tradestation, you got, let me show you. You can literally trade everything, but most importantly, look at these ETFs, how many selections you have. And if we compare it to eTrade, like stock markets 5, and you have like 78 stock markets, ETF 13,000, comparing to ETF on eTrade 2,300. And it's like crazy difference. So if you're someone who is interested in investing in various markets, I would recommend going with Tradestation. Now let's go further to research and customer service. eTrade is winning with a customer service. Tradestation doesn't have 24/7 support and live chat doesn't work, but customer service at eTrade got phone support, live chat, and fast response time. And also the feedback on eTrade is good. Now you're gonna see like education. The one thing I personally don't like is that you don't have any demo account on eTrade. This is something I always prefer on every broker, that they have a demo account, that you can actually test the waters by yourself, that if you actually like it or no. And that's, in my opinion, really important. So that's pretty much it. Safety, both of these platforms are safe. eTrade has a banking background. Tradestation has like one of the most oldest interactive brokers in Europe. So that's just my recommendation. And yeah, thank you everybody. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down below in comments. I'll be really happy to help you and provide you some guidance and stuff like that. Have a great day and goodbye.